Welcome to Artos Hub. Today we are diving into the powerful and capable 2026 Dodge Ram 2500, a truck built for work, adventure, and everything in between. This latest iteration of the Ram 2500 continues Dodge's tradition of combining rugged durability with modern technology, making it a standout in the heavy-duty pickup segment. From its bold exterior styling to its advanced drivetrain, the Ram 2500 is engineered for drivers who demand strength, reliability, and comfort all in one package. The exterior design of the 2026 Dodge Ram 2500 is immediately striking, with a bold grille, muscular fender lines, and high-strength body panels that convey both toughness and refinement. Its lifted stance and aggressive front fascia make a clear statement that this truck is ready to tackle any challenge, whether it's hauling heavy loads, towing a trailer, or exploring off-road terrain. Available LED headlights, chrome accents, and multiple wheel options allow buyers to personalize the truck to match both style and functionality preferences. Under the hood, the Ram 2500 offers multiple engine options to suit different needs. For those seeking maximum torque and towing capacity, the available 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel inline-6 provides exceptional power, while the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 balances impressive performance with daily usability. Paired with modern automatic transmissions and heavy-duty drivetrains, the Ram 2500 delivers smooth power delivery, excellent acceleration, and strong towing capabilities. Whether navigating city streets or pulling a large fifth-wheel trailer, this truck maintains a confident and composed performance. Inside, the 2026 Dodge Ram 2500 elevates the heavy-duty experience with a focus on comfort, technology, and practicality. The cabin features high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls designed for long days behind the wheel. An available large touchscreen infotainment system provides navigation, connectivity, and entertainment options, while multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and smartphone integration ensure a modern driving experience. Ample storage, cup holders, and smart organizational compartments make this truck functional for both work and leisure. Safety and convenience are also a priority in the 2026 Ram 2500. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, enhance confidence during both city driving and highway towing. Additionally, the truck's robust frame, reinforced safety cage, and multiple airbags provide peace of mind for every journey. Overall, the 2026 Dodge Ram 2500 combines rugged capability, powerful performance, and modern comfort, making it an ideal choice for professionals, enthusiasts, and families who require a truck that can handle heavy workloads while offering a refined driving experience. The 2026 Dodge Ram 2500 is more than just a workhorse. It's a truck designed to handle the toughest jobs with confidence. Its towing and hauling capabilities set it apart in the heavy-duty segment. Equipped with reinforced frames and high-strength suspension components, the Ram 2500 can tow trailers, boats, and RVs with ease. Depending on the configuration, towing capacities exceed 20,000 pounds, while payloads reach over 3,000 pounds, making this truck a reliable partner for professional contractors, farmers, and adventure enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features is the engine lineup. The 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine delivers immense torque, ideal for heavy towing and steep inclines. Its performance is complemented by a smooth automatic transmission that adjusts seamlessly to driving conditions. On the gasoline side, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 provides strong acceleration and responsiveness for everyday driving. Both engines are tuned for reliability and durability, ensuring long-term performance even under challenging workloads. The suspension and drivetrain of the Ram 2500 are engineered to handle rough terrain and heavy loads without compromising comfort. Available four-wheel drive systems, locking differentials, and advanced off-road packages make this truck capable of tackling dirt roads, muddy trails, or steep construction sites. Coil spring rear suspension enhances ride comfort, while optional air suspension allows adjustable ride height for better ground clearance or improved aerodynamics on highways. Inside, the Ram 2500 blends practicality with modern technology. Spacious seating accommodates up to 6 passengers, depending on the cab configuration, with supportive seats designed for long drives. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and robust stitching add a premium feel to a truck built for work. The cabin is also highly configurable, with multiple storage compartments, center consoles, and underseat storage to keep tools, equipment, and personal items organized. Technology in the 2026 Ram 2500 focuses on both convenience and safety. The Uconnect infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with navigation, smartphone integration, and voice command capabilities. Drivers benefit from features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium audio systems, and customizable digital instrument clusters. Connectivity options make this truck as functional for everyday commuting as it is for job sites. Driver assistance systems are comprehensive, providing enhanced confidence behind the wheel. Adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and 360-degree cameras are all available, helping drivers maneuver safely even with large loads. These systems, combined with robust braking performance and stability control, ensure safety does not take a backseat to power. The 2026 Dodge Ram 2500 continues to impress when it comes to interior comfort and usability. The cabin is thoughtfully designed for both work and leisure, combining durable materials with modern convenience. Drivers have easy access to all controls, while ergonomically positioned seats reduce fatigue during long hauls. Depending on the cab choice, passengers enjoy ample legroom and headroom, making even extended trips comfortable. The available leather-trimmed seating and heated or ventilated options add a touch of luxury for those who want premium comfort alongside rugged capability. Storage solutions inside the Ram 2500 are intelligently designed. Large glove compartments, center consoles, door pockets, and underseat bins provide ample space for tools, gear, and personal items. The rear seating area can be configured to maximize either passenger space or cargo storage, making the truck adaptable for different lifestyles. For work purposes, the cabin includes tie-down points and convenient access to utility outlets, keeping everything organized and within reach. Technology integration in the 2026 Ram 2500 elevates both convenience and safety. The Uconnect system offers intuitive navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice commands, allowing drivers to stay connected without distraction. Advanced audio systems provide crisp sound for music, podcasts, or hands-free calls, while optional wireless charging keeps devices powered on the go. The 12-inch touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, ensuring controls are simple even in rugged conditions. Safety is a cornerstone of the 2026 Ram 2500. Standard and optional driver assistance features work together to keep occupants secure. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring reduce the risk of accidents. Rear cross traffic alert and a 360-degree camera system provide added awareness when maneuvering in tight spaces or backing up with a trailer. These features make the Ram 2500 not just powerful, but also intelligent and safe on the road. For off-road enthusiasts, the 2026 Ram 2500 offers packages that enhance its capability even further. Features like skid plates, heavy-duty shocks, off-road tires, and locking differentials allow the truck to tackle uneven terrain confidently. Adjustable air suspension raises or lowers the ride height for optimal clearance or better aerodynamics on the highway. Whether it's a construction site, a forest trail, or a muddy farm road, this truck is prepared to handle it all. Real-world performance reflects the engineering behind this heavy-duty pickup. Acceleration is strong, handling is stable under load, and braking is confident even with trailers or full payloads. Fuel efficiency remains competitive for a truck of this size thanks to advanced engine management and aerodynamics.